Claude.md file and Claude plus Antigravity. So basically this is a killer combination, and I am going to talk about like in this video about my Claude.md file. So if you are following up on my YouTube channel, so what we are doing is that we are covering up multiple different type of topics, and also we are creating some bunch of stuff using Claude Code. So yeah, this is one of the next video where I'm going to tell you about the DOE framework, which is so much important, and I'm talking about different names, but yeah, trust me, this is amazing. Okay, so let me create a new folder which is YT Claude.md file. Okay, let me just create it, and there is this. Oh, there I have already created one. Maybe just open it up only. Okay, so yeah, this folder also I have created, and this is a Claude.md file. You can just find it in the description. I'm going to attach there, and there is this in my school community. I can quickly, if I can show you, just let it be. Let me just show you if I can. Yeah, this is the school community. Basically, you can join us, and yeah. So this is what the thing is. So I'm going to show you this Claude.md file. So here it is already opening agents. I am going to click this, and this is going to open the Claude. Okay, so we can talk to Claude from here, and let me ask it what you can see. What okay, it's not picking up. It's good at picking up sentences, but yeah. Okay, so it's only getting this Claude. This is also, I need to rename it. This should be clear Claude.md. Okay, then it is going to automatically pick this up. Okay, so what happens is that in this Claude.md, if you format it in this way, it is going to automatically keep this context in mind. So this should be a very short file. This should not be very much longer and all. Okay, there are very optimized way. I'm going to create more videos on Claude.md, but this is not specifically about the Claude.md specifications. This is actually about Claude.md plus DOE framework in it. Okay, so how DOE framework works is that there is this concept that like LLMs are non-deterministic. You need to understand, this is not concept, this is a fact. LLMs are non-deterministic because these are probabilistic models. Okay, every single next word is getting uh, out with a probability. Okay, so there is a probability if you input something. Okay, so these LLMs are basically just predicting the next possible word. Okay, and likewise they are just putting out all the words from the vast data. It's gone already input, so you cannot predict it. Even a small thing you change, and that is also, even if you use the same context you put, it will going to output. If you put the same input as a prompt 10 different times, it is going to give you the 10 different type of outputs. But that is now not how businesses work, because 10 different outputs if we are getting, then that is subjective. Every single person who is looking at the output is going to rate them differently, and it might also possible like for 10 options in front of me, I am going to rate a specific one the maximum, and likewise different rating is going to be there, and this is going to be different for different people. So that is not how businesses work. We need something kind of deterministic where we can more on rely upon. Okay, the output should be same if we are putting the input same. So where do we get these kind of specific inputs? Code. Okay, we are relying upon this whole entire economy is relying upon a lot of codes. We are using bunch of SaaS platforms, and all these are code. We are using this laptop and all devices. These all are code. These are deterministic. If I know that I will click a cut button, it is going to cut this window. It is not like this cut button sometimes do, sometimes does not work, sometimes do something else. It does not works like that. So yeah, that is how with this specific thing we are just dividing it into three things. Directive, which is going to be the SOP, where some tweaks can be manageable, because where the SOP is going to be, the baseline. This is not going to be the direct output. Now the LLMs are going to use, firstly LLMs are going to take our input. Okay, whatever the prompts we are going to give it input, it is going to do the research and all, and also according to our inputs it is going to creating a SOP which is going to be put into the directive folder. And the second layer is orchestrator, and these LLMs are only named as orchestrator. Okay, these LLMs are only the orchestrator, decision makers, and we also. Okay, but the main orchestrator is going to be the LLM, so we are referring it to itself. Okay, and the third is that execution layer, which is going to be the Python scripts, or not only Python scripts, it could be any other script as well, but yeah, here we have mentioned the Python scripts. So yeah, and the best thing to this framework, we can give it like self-healing method. If something breaks, if we talk it, you can just go and change the directive, and according to that, the specific Python scripts can be updated, and it is going to be, I mean, that mistake can be mentioned into the directive, so that we don't do it again. And that is going to be a kind of surety, or kind of security, in terms of like we are not messing up, or getting into a loop or specific some kind of mistake. And even if we are getting into that, we can change, or give it a different type of direction. But it's kind of very much powerful, because now you can create multiple different type of things, and this is not very for heavy type of building like SaaS platforms and all. For that, we have something called BMAD. I'm going to talk about that as well in a different type of video. So yeah, this is a basic of thing. You can see it, I can just show you. You can see it from the overview, that what is it and all overall. So if you are really interested about this thing, you can just let me know that what are the different type of things you would like to see from it. I'm just going to tell it, okay, initiate this properly. Okay, it is going to initiate it. What it's going to do is, it's going to put this 3-layer architecture into this file structure. Okay, so it is going to create different type of directories, you can say, and I have also given it bypass permission, so it is going to do its own work. Okay, and we can create pretty much anything. We can give it an option to create anytime files, because now what it can do is, it can research it out from in the internet, and we can give it specific references as well, and just say it that yeah, create it. Where is the file structure? I cannot be able to see it. It's going to create, actually I am just switching to this Antigravity, so a bit of difference is I am just noticing. Previously I was using VS Code, but yeah, I then saw that, this Antigravity is so great from that as well, because in VS Code, if you want to switch between among the these uh, projects, you need to start a new one. Okay, a new tab and all. But here you can just go to Agents Manager, and it is going to give you that. I just wanted to show it. It's not visible. Please tell me what's the issue. Oh, okay. It was not refreshing automatically. So yeah, now I can see it's already there. It's not just automatically updating it. So yeah, that was the thing. And you can see here, right, it's already created templates and example script website .md. In execution, it actually created one. Okay, so I want you to help me create a scraper where we want 10 different type of emails. Can you do that for me? You can research it out, and yeah, use the DOE framework. Yeah, let me give it on. So what it is doing is that it is actually creating a email scraper director, building core email extractor utility, creating Google search scraper, company website scraper, directory scraper script, and main orchestrator script. Okay, and then testing the scraper system. So it's going to create one by one all these things, and we are going to see that here. Okay, so yeah, just shout out. I basically wanted to tell you that yeah, I am launching this. I have just launched this community. This is amazing. If you wanted to learn how to not only just learn about these tools, which is just changing and all, but make it your superpower, how I am using it for personal use cases and all. And you are also going to get a 6 months proper roadmap to get your first client, to scaling it up as a automation agency. I have been doing it from past 6 months, and more than that basically. And it's been going great, and this opportunity is so much amazing. If you are not utilizing it, you are literally losing out. So yeah, if you are interested, you can just check the link in the description, and yeah, let's get back to the video. So yeah, it's already working on that, and you can see it's first creating a MD file, okay, where you can see the overall goal and all input directives, I mean in a proper SOP format, okay, which is not only just I mean comprehensible by it is also comprehensible to us as well, okay. And on the other side, yeah, it is also creating these Python scripts, which which are self-healing, okay. So yeah, that's the thing, and I have all created it in front of you from the scratch. So I've not done anything crazy, okay. You just have to talk about it. You just have to talk about it like this, okay. So yeah, that's the thing. It sometimes picks some wrong words as well, but I am using this WhisperFlow, okay, and this is amazing. You can find this its link as well. uh, it's so amazing. If you are still typing, you are losing out, because you can see, I mean, how many words I can speak. I mean, again and again, means showing this thing, but yeah, this is crazy. uh, so yeah, that's the thing. It's already doing the thing, the extractor work. Let me verify the full file structure. Yeah, please run it and tell me the output. Okay, in different domains we can constrain it as well, that we want it for a specific type of industry or a specific type of filter. We can just tell it, and it is going to filter it out that as well. And yeah, it is pretty much doing anything, okay. This technology is amazing. I have actually created some platforms as well, some kind of SaaS platforms, I mean tools as well, not any published yet, but yeah, I have made it for my clients, and it's amazing. It sometimes gives you these kind of issues, okay. So it is going to automatically do its work. It is automatically going to pick the new ways to find it out, or even if it does not, it is going to tell you that this is the issue or something, and you just need to give it a new direction. This is where your value comes in, and you can just make it walk towards it. And the best thing is that right now the models, if I have to show you, the default is 4.5 it is using. It should be the latest one. We can switch it up, but yeah, that's the thing. It's actually a while, and it's working in the background and all, and I can actually literally say it, do it faster. If you can do it parallelize, do parallel or whatever, do it faster, and it is going to work upon that. Yeah, so the output came out after a while, and it actually took a while, but the thing is that it's not that much great, because the input was not that much great. I mean, I just said that research it out and create a research and all. I have not added any kind of filter and all, that this should be the company type, these should be the limit of people and all, whatever. We can go and create some LinkedIn filters as well, okay, or some specific type of persona filters as well, and we can put it in a specific one, so that it can come up with that kind of scrapes as well, only that specific one. Or it can just scrape out through Google Maps and all, or it can scrape, I mean, it can do a lot bunch of things. And okay, and this DOE framework actually opens it up, and this is just on the scraper side. You can do it whatever. I mean, you can create thumbnails, you can create proposals, you can analyze your emails, you can manage your calendars, okay. You can create voice agents for that as well. I will create videos and all. So yeah, these are the things. This is the capability. I just wanted to open it up, and I just wanted to show you that what is my own current setup and some of the part of it. So if you like it, just let me know, and also check it out our platform, okay. You first 10 people are going to get my direct consultancy as well. So yeah, and it's so much cheaper right now. Okay, thank you so much, and let's meet in our next video.